Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired by this girl's dress from the TV show Terrace House. She wore this really cute denim button-down dress that I fell in love with, and since I had this denim skirt at home, I thought I could transform it into something that looked like the dress that she wore in the show. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY fashion, and let's get started. The first thing I did was give myself enough room at the bottom of the skirt to make the bodice and then cut straight across. Since the skirt is a little big on me, I'm going to take in the waist by first seam ripping the waistband at the sides to get to the original seam. Then I can take in however much needed from the sides of the skirt and the waistband to fit me. After both are adjusted to fit me, I can attach the waistband back on. Next, I drape my princess seam bodice using the bottom part of the skirt. The shape of the neckline is going to be straight in the front and straight in the back. Once all of the bodice pieces are cut, I can sew them together. Now the bodice and the skirt are ready to be sewn together, and the easiest way to do it is by placing the bodice behind the skirt and top stitching the skirt on. Before doing so, I made sure to serge all of the raw edges so it doesn't start unraveling and fraying. Using the leftover scraps, I created 1.5 inch straps by folding a strip in half, sewing down one side, and turning it inside out. To make the straps lay flat, I top stitched the edges down. And lastly, I marked where I wanted the straps to be placed and sewed them right sides together onto the bodice. Hem all the raw edges along the top and bottom of the dress, and we're finished. Here is the final transformation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love how this dress turned out and the fact that I was able to make my own for under $5. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY fashion, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!